what's up? It's Ella. I am back here again at Six Flags Great America. I'm going to be filming another vlog today for you guys. I'm going to be meeting up with my friend Heaven today. She was in one of my Indiana Beach vlogs from Halloween Horror, so she may look familiar to some of you. So if you watched our vlog from opening weekend, we only got to ride 5 rides last time. We rode Raging Bull, Goliath, Max Force, Viper, and Superman Ultimate Flight. So I think my objective for today will be to try to get on some of the rides I didn't get to last time. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I am about to head out into the park and yeah, I'll let you know how it is, what we get on, and how our experience compares to last weekend too. So yeah, stay tuned. About rides going down for high winds, but it looks like everything is up and running so far, so I don't think it's a concern just yet, but hopefully that doesn't stop us today, but who knows. This park isn't really known for having issues with high winds, but it is very windy today, so we shall see. One thing that's also new this year, Roaring Rapids, the whole sign is down over here. There's a giant chair in the way. Now, on the park map, it did say that it was closed for this season, and it is still on the map, so I'm assuming that means it will open again in the future. But I heard they might be doing a complete refurb on it, which would be cool. But yeah, sad that it's not open this season. It does appear that Loggers Run is open today. It was not open last week, so even though Roaring Rapids is closed, there's still some water rides for guests to enjoy when they're in the park. It's about 80 degrees, high 70s today, so not too hot, but it is bright and sunny. So, oh, and it looks like Joker is down at the moment. Haven't seen it run in a bit. Looks like the queue lines are clear, so I did see it operate when we first arrived to the park. So hopefully it'll open later. I don't think it's high on my agenda of rides today, but always fun when you get to ride one of these.
Yeah, I said it. I like free spins.
I started crying at the top. I started crying at the top because I was scared. I was like...
Alright, so I just got off Loggers Run. That's their old Aero flume here. I wanted to make sure that I got on this because I know a lot of parks are removing these old Aero flume rides. So yeah, got our ride. Didn't get too wet. I sat in the front seat and luckily this jumpsuit is like water repellent, so didn't get too wet. I'm gonna go head out in the park. I still need to find my friend, so that's kind of like the top priority right now, but might ride a few other things in between to keep you updated. All right, I found Heaven. All right, so we just got off of the Demon. Yes. And we found more people. We have Matt, Rachel is here too.
Hello.
We got the gang's all here now.
Hey.
Well, kind of. I can't get everyone in the
Gotta have more fun. More
yeah,
flags, more fun.
more flags, more fun.
Yes, yes.
How did you guys like the Demon?
I loved it. It's better than Corkscrew at Cedar Point because the effects of the lights in that one tunnel was just like super trippy and I really enjoyed it.
And they were actually working.
And they were working!
Which is a plus.
Everything was better except for the drawing moment into the corkscrew.
Yeah.
That is somehow worse on this, and I didn't know it could be worse.
Me either!
So, I didn't know that was possible.
Alright, so I think we're gonna try to get Heaven to go on Raging Bull. We'll see! We will update you. If you think, leave a comment if you think she should ride. She definitely should. Great B&M. Alright, we will let you know what happens. Yeah! Alright, Heaven rode Raging Bull! I did! We are so proud of you! I can't believe I actually kind of spread out from last time, so just me again now here in the park. Goliath was running really well. I was actually impressed with how fast it seemed to be running. It was a little faster than I remember when we rode it last week. I will say though, the topper track has gotten a little rough over the years. You can really feel it at the bottom of the valleys of drops and stuff. So it was still fun regardless. I rode front and back. I got to ride it twice today. I'm going to finish out today's adventure here at Six Flags Great America with a ride on Batman the Ride. I just got off Batman the Ride. It was so intense. I am always so impressed by how intense this ride is. Honestly, more intense than Raging Bull. I would say there's a lot of positive G's on this. I definitely grayed out for a good portion of the ride. So I'm gonna, do one last walk around the park, see how lines are. If lines are short enough, I might try to get on maybe X-Lite or American Eagle if I can. If not, I might just get some footage and conclude my day here at the park. So I just got off our ride on American Eagle on the red side. The blue side was closed. They didn't even have trains on the track in the station or anything. So my guess is that it will not be opening the blue side anytime soon. Hopefully it will open at some point this year, but who knows. It was rough. It hasn't aged very well, but the layout is still fun. There's still some good pops of airtime in different spots. So I would say the roughest part of the ride is probably that big helix out by the highway. But I still had fun. It's always fun to get back on that old historic intimate Woody. My ride on X-Lite and it was fantastic. I thought it was running so well today. It is a little warmer today. It's about 80 now. It really warmed up throughout the day and it has just been running really well. Everything here has been running really nicely today. I felt it was very fast, forceful. Honestly, I felt it was more forceful than Gatekeeper, which I got to ride a lot last summer working at Cedar Point. Yeah, thumbs up for X-Lite. I think this is going to conclude it for this vlog here today. I am on my way out of the park now. I'm gonna head over to Culver's and enjoy a delicious dinner there. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. And if you want to see more content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again next time.